So let us recall the theorems. The theorem ki asil? Theorem, suppose this is a circle, this is center, this is an arc, this is an arc, and it is subtending one angle at center O. Suppose name of the arc is AB. Suppose name of the arc is AB, and AB is subtending one angle AOB at center, and it is subtending another angle at other point of the circle, that means on the circumference, that is ACB. Eto moi already koraisu, just recall korai di asu. So angle AOB will be double the angle ACB. This was a theorem. Here proof to moi tomalok korai disu. Thik ase. Next theorem was, suppose you have a circle like this, and this is a suppose segment. Suppose this is a segment of circle. Now if you create multiple angles on the same segment, like this, maybe like this, or maybe like this, maybe like this, if you carefully observe all these angles end points are same. Ei duta point ending point. Just imagine yate duta pin mara ase aru bahut keta frame logai dia ase, and all angles are measuring same value, though they look like different, but their measurement will be same. Koba keneke angles subtended on the same segment of a circle are equal. So angles subtended on the same segment are equal. Next theorem, textbook to there. Next theorem is about cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? If a line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angle at 2 points lying on the same side of containing line segment, then 4 points lie on a circle. Theorem number 10.10 to saba. This was 10.8, 10.9. Okay, just imagine theorem number 10.10 says, theorem number 10.10 says, if a line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angles at 2 other points lying on the same side of the line containing the line segment, then 4 points lie on the same circle. Imagine a situation. Suppose you have a line segment AB. You are drawing one angle. Suppose this one is 60 degree. You are drawing another angle. This is also 60 degree. If you draw two angles on the same line segment having similar measurement, then this point, this point, this point, and this point all will be lying on the same circle. Monot rakhiba etu kotha. Jodi alop manu beleg hoi jay, suppose this one is 60, this one is 61, then this point can be outside or inside the circle. That means to be on the same circle, these two angles measurement should be equal. All etu eta. To textbook ot dia ase tomaloke likhi loba, lamba ke dia ase lopan. Moi main kotha to bujai dilo. Have you understood this, or shall I repeat? Ako ebar repeat korisu soa. Imagine about a line segment AB. Tumar hatot eta ako notun ke drawing kori disu ba. Tumar hatot eta line segment ase AB. Moi toma kolu tonmoi eta eta 40 degree angle banai dia. Tumi banai dila 40 degree angle. Bas. Moi bi toma kolu je tumi ephale eta 40 degree angle banai dia. Hi ate eta angle banai dila 40 degree. Both cases are possible. Since the angle subtended on this line segment are equal, then this point, this vertex, this one, and this one, all 4 points will be lying on the circumference of same circle. এটো মানে হবই, no doubt. তো কিছুমান ক্ষেত্ৰত এটো মেজারমেন্টে কামত দিয়ে সাইক্লিক হবনে নহব তোমাক সুধি দিব যে these and these are angles, whether these 4 points are cyclic. Cyclic means lying on the circumference of the same circle. If any 3 points, 4 points, 5 points, 10 points, or maybe more than that, if all points are lying on the circumference of same circle, that means all points are cyclic. এটা সার্কুলত পড়িব। Anyway, next theorem to বেছি important. পিছৰকে তাৰ proof examত ইমান নাহে, এইকাৰণে মই তোমালোকক নাই দিয়া। যদি বিচাৰা দি দিম বাৰু পিছত। Theorem number 10.11. This theorem says the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Already we have learned about cyclic concept. What is the concept of being cyclic? That means all 4 points are lying on the circumference of same circle. Now I am talking about a cyclic quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has how many vertices? 4. That means if you draw a quadrilateral in such a way that all 4 vertices are lying on the circumference of the same circle, just like this one, this quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now this theorem says if you have a cyclic quadrilateral, then opposite pair of angle sum is always 180 degree. Yata ki koise moi pori disu exact line to. The sum of the pair of opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, then cyclic. Aru ulta ke koise ki the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. This is 10.11, this is 10.12. 10.12 says if you have a random quadrilateral, you do not know what kind of quadrilateral is this. Just eta moi andajot banai disu. Suppose this is 135 and this angle is 45. Just imagine. This is 135, this is 45. What will be their sum? 180 degree. What about the sum of other 2 angles? Of course 180 degree, because all 4 angle is 360. That means jikono duta opposite angle plus korile jodi 180 degree ahi jay, then it will be cyclic. Etu tare ulta hol. Etut koise ki if the quadrilateral is cyclic, then their opposite angle sum is 180 degree. Eta ke koi disu khuniba. If your quadrilateral is drawing upon a circle or it is a cyclic quadrilateral, then their opposite angle sum will be supplementary or 180 degree. And conversely, if your quadrilateral's opposite angle sum is 180 degree, then it will be cyclic. If someone asks you what is the meaning of being cyclic, then you can say, sir, all 4 vertices will be lie on the circumference of a same circle. Or you can say, we can draw a circle through all the points at once. আমি এই গোটে গেটৰ পইণ্টৰ মাজেদি যোৱাকে ওপৰেদি যোৱাকে একবাৰতে এটা সাৰ্কেল বনাব পাৰো। আন্ডাৰস্টুড? ওকে ফাইন। ইয়াতে প্ৰুফ জেনাৰেলি এক্সামত নাহে। মই কৈ দিলো থিওৰেম কেটা। লেট মি প্ৰসিড টু নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চন। এটো এক্সাৰসাইজ কৰি ভাল পাবা, ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং হয়। সবতছে বেছি ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং এটোৱে হয় ইনফেক্ট। চলো শুরু करते हैं। তোমালোকে আনসার কৰিবা এক্সারসাইজ 10.4 এটা 5 বুলি আছে, মেবি তোমাৰ বুকত 4 থাকিব পাৰে। Suppose you have a circle like this and this is the center. It is subtending angle AOC at center and ADC at the circumference. This is another radius. This angle measurement is 60 degree. This one is 30 degree. Can anyone tell me what will be the measurement of this angle? Of course 45 degree. To MCQ bhai. Sum of these two angle 60 plus 30 90 degree. It is the angle subtended at the center. This angle is double the angle subtended here. That means this angle is half of this. If this one is double of this, then this is the half of this. So here tumi likhibo para angle AOC is 60 plus 30 degree, 90 degree. Then angle ADC will be obviously half of AOC, 90 degree. Etu hoy jabo 45 degree. So khali tumalokok jodi 1 mark question hai, listen very carefully. If your question is MCQ, then no need to explain why it is happening. But if it is a question of 2 marks or maybe 3 marks, maybe a elaborated question, then you have to mention like this: since angle subtended by an arc, remember this, at center of a circle is double the angle subtended by it at other part of circle. বাস এখানে অপশনাল দে, এখানে 1 মার্কৰ কোৱেশ্চনত নালাগে, বাট পিছত লাগিব বেলেগ কোৱেশ্চনত। যাৰ লিখিব মন আছে লিখা, নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চন কৰিম তাৰ পিছত। এবাৰ আমি নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চনটো কৰিম। চলো हो गया ये वाला क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन says a chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at the point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. Let me draw one circle. Please try to understand how to solve the question, how to approach. The question says there is a circle like this. This is the center. You have a chord. Suppose name the chord as AB, the center as O. So this chord is subtending one angle at center, obviously, right? The question says it has a special condition, and that is the radius of the circle is equal to the chord. Already all of we know that radius of a circle are equal. If the chord is also equal to the radius, then this triangle will be an equilateral triangle. So what about the angle value? 60 degree. Excellent. Now see, because of this chord we have a arc. This is a major arc or minor arc? Minor arc. This one is minor arc because this is shorter. And what about this one? This one is a major arc. Try to understand. If I draw something upon this, draw an angle like this, then we can say this angle is subtended on the major arc, right? Minor arc kyo end di asa mathatu moi ene koisu etu minor arc nohoy jano. This angle is subtended upon the minor arc. Torot likhao ase etu je angle dekha paisa. Look at this angle. This angle is subtended upon which arc? Minor arc. Then what about the angle subtended on the major arc? Look at this. This is the angle subtended on the major arc. Board khon to khurai dibo noaru. Just imagine this smaller angle. This angle is subtended on this longer arc, which is major arc. Have you understood about major arc and minor arc? Or shall I repeat? Okay, fine. Right. Given radius of the circle is equal to the chord. Radius of the circle is equal to the chord. So what will happen? So diagram is mandatory. Triangle OAB is equilateral. This triangle is equilateral. Hence, I can say angle AOB is 60 degree. Now angle ACB, that is angle subtended enake bracket diba on minor arc, that is this angle will be half of this, half of angle AOB, right? Since angle subtended by an arc at center is double the angle subtended by it at any other part. So I can conclude ACB will be half of 60 degree, that is will be 30 degree. Now my question to all of you, can you please tell me what will be the angle value subtended on the major arc? Etu angular value kiman hobo? 60 degree. Kiman buli kola tumi? 60 degree. 60 degree is wrong answer. Ko bisu. Alaman agote kiba ta concept hikaisilu moi. If this one is 30 degree, then this one is A. Suppose this value is D. ADBC is a 150 degree. ADBC is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? If this angle is 30 degree, this angle must be 150 degree. So likhiba, since ADBC is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore angle ACB plus angle ADB 180 degree. So angle ADB is 180 degree minus 30 degree 150 degree. Mention angle subtended on major arc. हो गया लिखा सब मेंशन কৰি দিছো মই একো ডিল কৰা এটো অলপমান মুছি দিছো ওপৰৰ পৰা গোটেখিনি মুছি নিদু বাৰু অলপ অলপকে লিখিবা Next question is about question number 3. There is a circle and this is the center, this is an arc. Okay, fine. This is an arc. This is an angle subtended like this. This point is Q, P. This point is P actually. And this point is R. This point is O. Fine. This angle is 100 degree. Now you need to find the value of OPR. OPR means this angle. Please do it. OPR to calculate kora. Try to calculate OPR. 70 degree kyo hobo? Nishat kiman answer? Paisa? Aru ka kodu moi Pritom. Nai pua. Susan answer kiman hoy? Nai pua. Nabil? Nai pua. Kya hoga re? মই কনস্ট্রাকশন কৰিব দিছো সোয়া এফালে বৰ্ডৰ ফালে সোয়া এফালে এটা অ্যাঙ্গেল বনাই দিয়া PQ name this as S PQRS so finally I have drawn the angle subtended on minor arc as well. This arc is a major arc, this one is a minor arc because this is not diameter. It is above the circle, above the center. So write, given angle subtended on major arc, that is PQR 100 degree. Draw angle PSR on minor arc. Since PQRS চাই থাকা আকৌ মইতো নিজে নিজে তোমালোকক কৰিব দিছো cyclic, hence this PSR will be 180 minus 100. How much it will be? 80 degree. Now please tell me, if this is 80 degree, then this angle will be how much? 160 degree. Likhiba again, POR is double of PSR. 2 into 80 degree, 160 degree. এটো লিখিব লাগিব মই আৰু লিখি নিদো দুবাৰ মান লিখাই দিছো ন since angle subtended by an arc at center is double the angle subtended by it at any other point. যেটো বস্তু তোমালোকে লিখিবই লাগিব ফুল মার্ক যদি পাব মন আছে মই দুবাৰ মান লিখাই দিছো নেকি আজি লিখি লবা next now for triangle OPR please board side kiba nole buji na paba this OP is equal to OR they are radii therefore angle OPR is equal to ORP. Now using angle sum property, using angle sum property on triangle OPR, I can write OPR plus ORP plus POR. All three angle sum will be 180 degree. Keep OPR as OPR. Write OPR in place of ORP because they are equal. This is 160 degree. So can you guess the answer? 10 degree. 180 degree minus 160 degree. So OPR will be 20 degree by 2. OPR is 10 degree. Exam at ORP dibo pare case to eke hobo. Remember the concept, angles may vary in your exam. Likha next part khini likha boriyake. Question number 4. Question number 4 করিম আমি Question number 4 to easy hoy bahut. One circular shape is given like this, then this one is an chord named as BC. This is one angle, this is another angle. You can say there are two triangles upon a chord. This angle is 69, this angle is 31 degree. This point is named as A, this is D. Olabo lage value of BDC. Kiman hobo BDC? 80 degree. What about others? What will be the value of BDC and why? Why 80 degree? Huh? No 80 degree. Why mate kiman? Ki naam tomar? Akib. Atif Islam. এনে কৈছো ৰো আতিফ আসলাম বলা আতিফ মানে ভাল নাম হয় ফেমাস নাম হয় আচ্ছা যিয়ে নহওক কি হ'ব হেল্ল তন্ময় হা BDC I'm asking about this angle Nisad Akwali Stevina Umar bhai কিমান হ'ব নহয় 100 লিখি দি আছো মই মাথা লগ Why 80 degree? বুজি পাইছো মই তোমাৰ খালি অলপমান ফৰ্মেলি ক'ব লাগিব কোনবা এনসার দিছিলে অলপমান আগতে 80 পিছত আৰু নাই কোনো ৰিএকচন দিয়া নাই যেটো ৰিজেক্ট কোনে এনসার দিছিল তুমি দিছলা yes exactly same segment this angle will be equal to this angle 80 degree I think explanation na lage sage likhibo kom paisa ro lage ki let us solve next question question number 5 question number 5 it has a diagram of circle like this is an arc chord this is the center then this is one angle this is another angle this point is B C this is A D this angle is 130 degree this angle is 20 degree 130 degree and 20 degree ulabo ki lage question to BAC we need to find BAC carefully observe this angle is given this angle is given this angle this is 20 degree this angle is 130 degree then what about BAC we need to find this one BAC right okay it is very easy actually 110 degree is correct answer for etu point ot kiba naam dia asil niki ase this point is named as E for triangle BEC which one is BEC observe BEC angle BEC kole bhul hobo mor olop bhul gol DEC actually to for angle DEC equal to angle EDC plus angle DCE. Okay, fine. Carefully observe the diagram, please. Consider this triangle DEC. For this triangle, this one is an exterior angle, and all of you know about exterior angle property. If you do not know, let me recall it for you. This is a triangle, this is exterior angle. Sum of this opposite interior will be equal to the exterior angle. Similarly, sum of this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. So I can write exterior angle property. Put the values. This is 130 degree. Actually, this EDC can be written as BDC. EDC or BDC, same thing. This angle is 20 degree. You can write, since EDC equal to BDC. So finally, I have this BDC 130 minus 20 degree. BDC value is how much? 110 degree. But we are looking for BAC. Now, this BAC equal to BDC. Why? Since angles subtended on the same segment are equal, BAC will be 110. लिखो आराम से. So mark the next question. Question number 6 is very important for your exam. तुम्हें कोरी सॉल्व फिनिश कर लेने की 6 to question number 6. Diagram to dia nai. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, fine. This is a circle. Let me draw one quadrilateral named as ABCD. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral whose diagonals intersect at E. Let us join the diagonals. This one, kotha nokoba. Diagonals joined at point E. DBC is 70 degree. DBC, this angle is 70 degree. BAC is 30 degree. BAC, this angle is 30 degree. उलाबो लगे BCD to find BCD. Also, if AB equal to BC, find ECD. ECD ওলাবো লাগে করা বঢ়িয়া কোয়েশ্চন. তো নেক্সট আমি কৰিম এটা কোয়েশ্চন চাবা. First of all, if this angle is 70 degree, this angle also will be 70 degree. Am I right? If you consider this segment, angles subtended on the same segment are equal in measurement. So if this one is 70 degree, this one also will be 70 degree. Moi one dark kori disu. If this one is 70 degree, this one also will be 70 degree. So likhiba solution at we know that angles subtended on same segment are equal so angle DAC equal to angle किसल तो DBC कब पड़ा DBC equal to 70 degree. Therefore, this entire angle BAD, this angle BAD has two measurements. This is 30, this is 70. Total किमान हो 80, 100 degree. এটা আমাক ওলাব কি দিছে কোয়েশ্চনটোত বিচাৰা BCD. BCD is this angle and this angle. They are what? They are opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. They are supplementary. So likhiba since ABCD is cyclic, baki khini efale likhi disu roba. Since ABCD is cyclic, I can write so BCD plus BAD, their sum will be supplementary or 180 degree. So I can say angle BCD will be 180 minus 100 degree. BCD will be how much? That is 80 degree. Next ulabo diye se amak ECD. Which one is ECD? ECD is this angle. ECD 50 degree na gam paisa. Question to kiba ta dia ase podha ki dia ase AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. If these two sides are equal, then this angle will be equal to this angle. Am I right? For triangle ABC, AB equal to BC, so angle BAC equal to angle BCA equal to 30 degrees. Since angles opposite to equal sides are equal, opposite to equal sides are, let me re-explain. For triangle ABC, this side and this side are equal. It is given in the question. So this angle, this dot angle and this dot angle, both will be equal because this angle is opposite to this side, this angle is opposite to this side. So দুইটাৰে value কিমান হৈ গল 30 degree 30 degree. This entire angle was 80 degree. This is 30 degree. So কিমান হৈ যাব 80 minus 30 50. Therefore ECD equal to 80 degree minus 30 degree. $50 degree. लिखा question number 7 और question number 8 তোমালোকে homework করিবা try করিবা 9 10 11 12 পড়াম বাৰু এটা অলপ বেলেগ হয় এটা পড়াম মই নেক্সট দিনাখন মানিছো নাই এখিনি ভালকে পঢ়িবা যদিও কোৱেশ্চন কেটা মই কৰি দিতে ইজি লাগিছে মই সঁচা কথা এটা কনফিউজ কৰো লাষ্ট 7টা বছৰত যিমান ষ্টুডেন্টক পঢ়াইছো ইয়াৰে পৰাই কোৱেশ্চন পৰীক্ষাত আহে তো 7 out of 10 ষ্টুডেন্টে ভুলকে লিখি থৈ আহে বাৰে বাৰে বোৰ্ডত লিখি লিখি পঢ়াই দিয়াৰ পিছতো একবাৰ দুইবাৰ নহয় বাৰে বাৰে এক্সামৰ আগলৈকে বহুত বাৰ ৰিভিজন কৰা হয় তাৰে পিছতো ভুলকে লিখে তো মই বিচাৰো তোমালোকে সেই বেয়া ৰেকৰ্ডটো ভংগ কৰা এইবিলাক কোৱেশ্চন ভালকে প্ৰেক্টিস কৰা যাতে কৰিব পাৰা উল্টা পাল্টাকে দিলে লগত আৰডি শৰ্মাৰ বুক আছে ৰেফাৰেন্স বুক আছে সার্কুলার অলমোস্ট সব থিওরেম পড়িছো আমি কিতাপ উলো কোয়েশ্চন ব্যাংক উলো পেপার উলো সার্কুলার অঙ্কবিলাক ঘৰত কৰা স্টার্ট কৰা হ'ব মই এডিশনাল কোয়েশ্চন কৰাম নেক্সট দিনা